Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will see how we can add a calendar visual to Power BI reports. This can be used for any of your applications. For example, if you have a leave application and you have to present the data in a report form, you can add the calendar directly into your Power BI reports. First, I will show you the data that I will be using. So I have my Excel here, which I have already connected. And this is showing the events of project kickoff, training, conference, product launch, and all these. Start date, end date, the group of the event, the cell color. I will show you how it will appear, the URL, if any, what the tooltip will be like if when you go hover over it, what is the detail of the event, and the event order. So you can see meetings are first and how it will appear in the legends. So now let's go back to our report and I will select get more visuals since this is a custom visual. And I will select get more visuals. Now here, I can see it here. So this is the one that we will be using, calendar. Let it load. And you see this is how it will appear. Now let's go and see how we can work with this. I will click on add. And it has been imported successfully. I'll click OK. I will select calendar visual. Let's just make it full for now. Then you can change it how you want it. And in the start date, I will drag start date, end date. In the events, I will add event, event group. So now you can see, so first when I remove this, you can see all the events were appearing as legends, but we will divide them into group. We have the group here. I will leave the cell color. I will show you how it is, or in fact, let's just add it. So right now you can see that this is how it's appearing, but we have the cell color. So when I bring it here, it will, sorry, it will appear like this. In the event URL, if you have any, you can add or you can remove this. In the tooltip also, if I click on any of this, there's no tooltip yet, so we will add the tooltip. Let's see how it appears. So now you can see the tooltip is appearing, Power BI trainings event. In the event details, right now if I click, nothing's happening, but if I add event details here and I click on it, still nothing happening. Let's see how it works. Maybe we will have to format it further. Let's just add event order here. So this is done. Now let's go and see how we can further format it. So I'll go here, the legends, maybe we can remove them. URL navigation, if you want, you can keep it. In the cell colors, it's the same cell color that we have here. And if I, let's say, remove them, and if I go back and I click on the data colors, now this is what it will appear. So it's appearing for the cell color is gone. In the events, if you want to modify anything, you can do it here. Let's leave it as it is. The fonts, size, button size, the views. We can also have a multi-month view if you want. And if you click here, this is how it will appear. In the list, this is how it will appear. I'll go back to month. In the work hours, you can define the work hours. We have the work week, Saturday, Sunday. So now this week is starting from Sunday. Let's see how we can change that. And we have calendar settings. So yeah, the start week on Monday. Now it has changed. And the current indicator is the day today. It's appearing as this color. So remaining we will leave as it is. You can add holidays if you want. You will have to add a JSON. I will remove that. And format event group. So you can highlight this workshops, how you want to look. So the group that we have for event, you can change that. For each conferences, marketing, competition, and finance, we have our event group here. So if I select, so these event groups, you can format them here if you want to. I will just remove it. In the holidays, event details, I will click select. So now if I go and click here, now this is appearing, which is our event details here, event details. Previously, when this was not selected, when I was clicking, nothing was happening, but now it is appearing. And you can further change the and modify how it will appear, details option and all these things. So let's just unclick it. Event order. So this is the event order, meetings, workshop, which is also in our data, how it is in our data. It's appearing in the same format. And for the monthly month, how many years you want. In the general, you can just format it how you format any visual of Power BI. I will remove the title, and this is how you can create your calendar visual in Power BI. I hope this video helped. Keep watching for more and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.